Good morning, everyone. In today's video, we will talk about green finance. What is green finance? Green finance is basically a strategy approach to incorporate financial sector in the transformation process towards low carbon and resource efficient economy, and in this context adaptation to climate changes. Green finance refers to financial support for green growth. The environmental benefits include, for example, reduction in air, water, land pollution, reduction in greenhouse gas emission, improved energy efficiency while utilizing existing natural resources, as well as mitigation of and adaptation to climate change and their co-benefits. Green finance involves efforts to internalize environmental externalities and adjust perceptions in order to boost environmental friendly investment and reduce environmentally harmful ones. Green finance basically covers a wide range of financial institution and assets class and include both public and private finance. Green finance involves the effective management of environmental risk across the financial system. So, by this, we get that green finance is a term which refers to financial investment for those projects that support sustainable development. ऐसा फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट जो कि सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट को सपोर्ट करे वही ग्रीन फाइनेंस है. Green investment include investment in biodiversity protection, water sanitation, industrial pollution control, energy efficiencies, climate change adaptation, renewable energies, etc. Green finance comprises of financing of public green policies, etc. The term green finance, sustainable finance, climate finance is implicitly known as an eclipsing territory of matter on environmental, social, economic and governance. सो बेसिकली ग्रीन फाइनेंस से हम क्या समझते हैं, ये फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट है फॉर ग्रीन ग्रोथ. ग्रीन फाइनेंस रिफर्स टू फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट फॉर ग्रीन ग्रोथ. And what is green growth? Green growth is defined as a growth generated through the harmony between the economy and the environment. It aims to achieve the goal of low carbon economy. It is strategically promote green industry, including environmental pollution prevention projects and renewable energy development projects. Basically, green growth is the solution to the three threats to global economy, that is climate change, energy constraint, financial crisis. Now let's talk about climate finance. क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस क्या है? क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस बेसिकली ग्रीन फाइनेंस का ही एक इमर्जिंग फॉर्म है. Climate finance can be defined as an emerging form of green finance which is available for various projects in developing countries. It is one of the growing sector in the field of international development and environmental finance. Climate finance also help in reducing emission or for adapting to climate changes. It can be defined either by increasing the revenue that are available to both public and private development projects, namely tariff support, carbon finance. It can also be achieved through improvement of project capital structure, for example, by reducing the cost of debt and equity. बेसिकली क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस से हम समझते हैं ये लोकल, नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंसिंग है जो कि पब्लिक और प्राइवेट या ऑल्टरनेटिव सोर्स से होता है. क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस रिफर्स टू लोकल, नेशनल और ट्रांसनेशनल फाइनेंसिंग ड्रॉन फ्रॉम पब्लिक, प्राइवेट और अल्टरनेटिव सोर्सेज ऑफ फाइनेंसिंग. It seeks to support mitigation and adaptation action which will address climate change. The government of world have taken an initiative for climate finance under Paris Agreement on climate change. The initiative is to raise an amount of $100 billion per year by the end of 2020 for both public and private sources. What is the need of green finance? If we talk about the need of green finance, so the World Economic Forum projects that by 2020 about $5.7 trillion will be needed to be invested annually in green infrastructure. Therefore, the funding is needed to meet the investment needs in 2020 and beyond. The mitigation large-scale investment are required to significantly reduce emission. The significant financial resources are needed to adapt to adverse effect and reduce the impact of changing climate. It is also critical to support developing countries to build reliance on to worsening climate impact and to catalyzing private sector climate investment. If we talk about the role, what is the role of green finance? Green finance is basically responsible for financing of both public and private green investment along with preparatory and capital cost. Some of the major roles of green finance are as follows. First is to provide financing for environmental goods and services such as water management, protection of biodiversity, landscape, etc. Second is to prevent, minimize and compensate the damage to environment and to the climate. Then is to prevent financing of public policies which will encourage the implementation of environmental damage mitigation or adoption projects and initiatives. If we talk about the way forward, what is the way forward? See, the green finance is a part of a broader occurrence from incorporation of various non-financial or ethical concerns onto the financial universe. Generally, green finance is considered as financial support for green growth, which reduces greenhouse gas emission and air pollutants emission significantly. Green finance in agriculture and green building and other green projects should increase for economic development of the country. The challenge before developing country is to mainstream green finance so as to incorporate the environmental impact into commercial lending decision while simultaneously balancing the need of economic growth and social development. This will necessarily mean setting out on the journey of integrating financial system and sustainable development, which has numerous goalposts. Now let's talk about the green investment majorly include the following area. What are the area which are included under green investment? First is waste processing and recycling. वेस्ट को कैसे प्रोसेस किया जाए, उसको कैसे रिसाइकल किया जाए. बायोडाइवर्सिटी प्रोटेक्शन, क्लाइमेट चेंज अडैप्शन, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जीज, एनर्जी एफिशिएंसीज, वाटर सैनिटेशन, industrial pollution control and other climate change mitigation. So these are the areas which are included under green investment. So in this video we have talked about green finance, where we learned that basically green finance means a financial investment for those projects which support sustainable development. We also talked about climate finance. Climate finance, as we have seen, that it is basically local, national and transnational financing which is drawn from public, private or alternative source of financing. It seeks to support mitigation adaptation action that will address climate change. We also discussed about the role of green finance, where we learned that the main role of green finance is to provide financing for environmental goods and services. And apart from this, the role include prevent, minimize, compensate the damage to the environment and the climate. Also provide financing of public policies which will encourage the implementation of environmental damage mitigation. We also talked about the area which are included under green investment. These are waste processing and recycling, biodiversity protection, climate change adaptation, renewable energies, energy efficiency, water sanitation, industrial pollution control, other climate change mitigation. So that's all for today. Thank you.